Avocado toast with egg recipe. Avocado toast with egg is a simple, healthy, and delicious breakfast or brunch option. Creamy avocado, crunchy toast, and perfectly cooked eggs come together for a quick meal that's both satisfying and packed with nutrients. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 slices of multigrain bread, or your preferred bread, white bread works too, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon butter, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, a pinch of cayenne pepper, sea salt, and black pepper to taste. Instructions: prepare the avocado spread. Peel and pit the avocado, then mash it in a bowl with a fork. Mix in lemon juice, sea salt, black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Toast the bread. Toast the slices of bread until golden and crispy. Cook the eggs. Heat butter in a nonstick pan. Crack the eggs into the pan and cook them to your preference, sunny side up, scrambled, or over easy. Assemble the toast. Spread the mashed avocado mixture evenly over the toasted bread. Place the cooked eggs on top. Serve and enjoy. Garnish with an extra sprinkle of black pepper or fresh herbs if desired. Serve immediately. Tip: you can customize this recipe by adding toppings like cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, or microgreens for extra flavor and nutrition.